Start out by using a level to mark the spot where the pipe will be level. And I use a replacement elbow to mark where I will need to make my cut so that the fit is good. Make the cut with the hacksaw. And I take the blade off the hacksaw to finish the cut, which is close to the wall. I cut off the cracked elbow I'm replacing. I deburr the PVC where I made the cut. I fit the replacement elbow. I'm just wedging a screwdriver between the PVC and the wall to give myself a little better working room. And do the final fit and replacement on the elbow. Tighten the clamps. And the reason this wasn't level is because the crack got raised up, some water got underneath and raised it up. That's what ended up causing all the problems. Maybe there's a better way to fix it, but this is how I'm doing it. Plug it in and test.